Hello everyone, this is Jim from Ladder Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 29th of March, Tuesday, intraday analysis. On this video, we'll cover some news first, then we will just go ahead with our charts. Alright, this morning we have received the German consumer confidence data and it was really low and it was minus 15. Expected was minus again, but it was minus 14. Right now it was worse than expected. So this is just the not kind of result of the war, but at the same time the population crisis in Europe will just like expected to like this will be like this, but the war just made it worse and the problems is just becoming far sooner than expected. All right, that was the news. And right now I will just start with our first chart. It's S&P chart, S&P 500 chart. As you can see, I'm just showing that one first on a bigger image, then we will just go at a close view. As you can see here, the levels right now trading at is 4,600 points. What is critical for this level? Let me just show you. This level has been tested on Fab and not a decline. On the beginning of Fab, a decline correction, and just before the collapse from the real high, and that was like on here on the 20th of January, it just tried to stop that decline. It couldn't manage. So this level is really critical. If we don't hear any positive news today from Russia-Ukraine ceasefire talks, it started this morning in Istanbul, Turkey, and if we don't hear those positive news, if we just hear bad news, definitely we will see another sell-off in S&P. That's for sure. A correction time may be arrived in the markets. So if you ask me, if you just see that it's not passing above this line, sell and make profit. That's my suggestion. Let's go to our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
Alright, our second chart is Ethereum. As you can see here on the chart, it's rising and there is a really good trend on that one. Let me show you on here like this. So it's rising on this trend line. As long as it goes in this trend line, there will be a lot of rise on, but a correction may be seen until today's one. A few days, like it will just come back to 3,300 levels as a correction. Then from these, from that one, it can go like this, because until to May Fed meeting, because 0.25 was priced in the market. Then from after that one, as you can see here, 15 March, that rise started on that one, and it will just go like that. And when we get close to May meeting, it will be another sell-off, and probably it will be a sell-off start on that one. The question will be another 0.25, or the Fed officials will just deliver a 0.50, some kind of this, and then the sell-off can be seen. But until that one, at least on the first quarter of April, we may see this trend goes on and on. That's important. All right, let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is silver. As you can see here, silver is on decline. It just touched to 24,600 level, so a critical level for that one, because and after that level, when we just passed that level, as you can see previous one, it just rebounded and we may see another climb. But just look at the RSI, it's just right now on oversold territory. This is declining because there's two reasons for that one. First is ongoing ceasefire talks in Turkey. The other one is 10-year bonds, even 2-year US bonds, they have reached to 2.4 levels. It was really high single day rises in the recent decades. So they are rising, and then they are just keeping pressure on precious metals. That's why it's happening. And as these commodities doesn't have interest income, they cannot compete with those rises. But still, any bad outcome from these ongoing ceasefire talks will just lead to another high in prices. Please just watch it out carefully, and if you just see any bad news, you can just buy and do that. Or if you just see that like it just passed this line, just something like this, and not rebounding, you can sell, because there will be kind of free fall on that one. That's my prediction. Alright, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news, and then we will cover more charts together with you this afternoon. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.